Naso kunyara gukwana iguru yo gusaruka umwana umunyaruka nabo igobono no kunyara gucando ku muntu umunyaruka nigo bwatani aho bagendrete kwikiriyangana yo gusaruka umwana umunyaruka tiri tukurira umugigo ngabuno ujubo igoni gakorekana semeli ya Nyankongo ejo gutoka imiyo mu cyobosongo imiye county ya Kisii abwatani aho kuri serikali ya county ya Kisii mbekera naso umugigo buri tukuriya rero asingaje bate abuna mbagendere kurwandiro kundiro ku mwana umunyaruka asababo byombe aho kunyara wesoke na kubwaterana aso kunyara kumugero umwana umunyaruka buno muri Keito Mildred Mumanyi tomanya senchira yowime
Buna erebutambe kero mwaka chitariki isanonemo umutinyo okabere nigo lelituko yogochengera ogukura ogosarwa ku mwana umunyaruka gose zero tolerance to FGM asebono ebyombe aho byesokya kubwaterane county ya Kisii ase skuru yoboroso ya Nyankongo eliyogosegeta abana amona bamenyi chinchira cyogukora ebikorwa ebyo byogosara omwana umunyaruka Korengana nomo director o Youth Gender and Social Services Douglas Arege nigo atabire serikali ya county ya Kisii nigo egendete kubwaterana nebyombe ao eliyokone kiabuna omwana umunyaruka taligo kigosarwa pi hasebo igo abisiyo mu women rep bane kiabuna kera erusa nigo babwate omurubiryo aseba gosemya abana abanyaruka igoro yo gwetanga korwa ogosarwa.
As the county government of Kisii, we are working towards zero tolerance of female genital mutilation, and as a government we've had 3 policies in place that are working towards protecting the girl child. One of the policies is the child protection and welfare policy. We also have the gender policy and the youth policy. Soon we are working on the social protection policy, and what we believe is that these policies, when in place, will be able to support the government and the other stakeholders to work towards promoting rights and the welfare of the child, and especially towards eliminating female genital mutilation in Kisii. Remember, the UN and the government has committed towards 2030 agenda of eliminating female genital mutilation. We have 7 years as Kisii and Kenya to eliminate female genital mutilation within our communities.
During our August and December holidays, we usually conduct anti-FGM campaigns where we organize booty camps for our girls from all the 9 sub-counties. It is a collective effort to try and fight this vice from the county and from the country.
Nase abisi yomo county commissioner nigo baine kiabuna nigo bakubwaterana n'aba chief gati yabande abange aliyokone kiabuna ondebwensi ogotoka kagusara omwana umunyaruka na imukeligwe egetambokero egetindi.
We, as the government, we have officers on the ground, the chiefs, assistant chief, they do attend barazas, and we monitor with community policing. We monitoring to ensure that any person who is perpetrating the vice is arrested and necessary action is taken against him.
We have started this project since 2004, and we have protected 40,000 girls.
Asechinga kecho nigo egatiye chinchira chiri kibonete kubwati gwachinga kibago semya abana abanyaruka ase binyoro ime igoro yo gwetanga korwa ase ogosarwa etatigwa magiga ase boigo baine kebuna wikirabono iganigo ekerengo kyogosara omwana omunyaruka kere emerongo etano nebere na isano na ibere igoro yemya.
Secrecy. We are doing it as top secret, and because we are conducting it under the cover of the dark, the world out there does not even know. It only becomes alarming when the statistics come out that now, you know, our girls, a good number are being cut. But if you ask anybody, even among us, those who are standing here, if you ask them, has your daughter been cut? They'll say no. And yet the statistics is at 77%. Who is this who is cutting girls?
Kuripotelea egetaseni kia Ndizi TV, Italiane Mildred Mumanyi.